In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline data collection without any hassle, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, you'll want to open an existing board where you want the form submissions to appear. Boards like client requests, support tickets, or lead capture might be where you'd start, but feel free to create a new one if needed. To do this, click on plus add new board, give it a name, and select main. Remember, the columns you set up here will become the questions on your form, so plan accordingly. Next, let's add a form view. On your chosen board, locate and click the plus add view button at the top. From the available options, select form. A form will automatically generate based on the columns present in your board. This handy feature saves time and ensures the form aligns with your expectations. And don't worry, you can have multiple forms per board, which is great if you need different forms for customers and internal teams. Now let's customize your form fields. Once you're viewing your form, each column from your board will appear as a question. You can rename these to better suit your needs. For instance, modify item name to full name. Hide unnecessary fields using the eye icon next to them if they aren't needed, and mark any fields as required to ensure users must respond to them. This step is key to tailoring a form that meets your specific data collection needs. After the fields, shift your focus to the design. Adding your company logo or brand image can give it a professional touch. Edit the form title and description to clearly convey its purpose. Additionally, select theme colors that match your branding for a cohesive look. You may also opt to enable anonymous submission, providing an extra layer of privacy for those filling out the form. Now let's adjust the form behavior settings. Scroll down to the settings panel and you'll find options to enable confirmation emails, allow multiple submissions, and redirect users after they submit the form. You can even specify where they go, like a thank you page. Setting up email notifications can also alert your team each time a new form is submitted, keeping everyone in the loop. Once you've got your form looking and working just right, it's time to share it. Click the Share Form button at the top right. You'll receive a shareable link or embed code, which you can distribute via email, social media, or a website contact page. Each submission automatically creates a new item on your board, helping you manage information efficiently. Lastly, before rolling it out to everyone, make sure to test your form. Use the share link and fill out a test entry yourself. Check back on the board to confirm that a new item with the relevant details has been created. If you notice any discrepancies, tweak the form settings or adjust the column mappings to fix the issue. And there you have it. You're now ready to effectively use forms in Monday.com.